Want to make your Instagram account more secure? Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code whenever someone tries to log in to your account from a new device. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram in 2026. First, open the Instagram app and sign in to your account if needed. Then tap your profile picture in the bottom corner to access your profile page. Next, tap the menu icon in the top corner of your profile. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account options. Scroll down and locate the Account Center section. This is where Instagram manages account security, passwords, and login settings. Inside Account Center, tap Password and Security. Here you'll find several security features designed to protect your account. Find and select the two-factor authentication option. If you manage multiple Instagram accounts, choose the account you want to secure. Instagram typically offers verification through an authentication app, text messages, or other supported methods. Choose the option that works best for you. Authentication apps are often considered the most secure choice. Follow the instructions to connect your chosen verification method. You may need to enter a code sent by Instagram to confirm the setup. Instagram may provide recovery codes that can help you regain access if you lose your phone or authentication device. Save these codes in a secure location. After setup is complete, sign out and sign back in if you'd like to test the feature. You should be prompted to enter a verification code before gaining access, and that's how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. This simple security feature can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access and help keep your account protected. So yeah, if you haven't enabled it yet, it's one of the best steps you can take to improve your account security. Thanks for watching.